Mornings, my friends. My name is Dany Perez, senior trader and co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, and today we are going to see the pre-market analysis for the future of the S&P 500. My friends, we are in a very interesting days. As we said before, the previous days here of this, after this sell-off, very interesting and very important. We hit like a wall. Here in the 200 line, that is a very important indicator. And I was saying that here we were consolidating, and here we were have like the definition that we were happen in the next days. For example, here we have two scenarios. Probably we are going to start trending line to trending to the upside, or if we are going to decide just a retracement for more continuation, and that was the happen now is very near to the 200 line, and the rise of the volume is really interesting in this August. Obviously, here we started with the statement of the President Trump to impose a new tariff to China in the new products, and then the devaluation of the yuan there in China. That's something important that we need to have in count. And if you have, this is all the reaction, okay, that the market now we have in a very uncertainty time. If you see here a chart with a little bit more detail, we're able to see a lot of things. Here, the first one is that we were consolidating in the last 5 days in two areas, but with a very strong movement. When the market passed this important compression, when we have two horizontal areas and important two trending line to the upside, to the downside, now the market has broken and reached the next area and the next important price. If you see a chart with a little bit more detail, we're able to see that now today we don't have the best pre-market, okay, because it's not a decide market, but we have the story or the history of what happens in the previous day. That means that probably here our first scenario, if the market consolidate here and probably breaks to the downside till the price 27.75. That is our first scenario. But if the market is able to pass here this important trend line to downside, probably we're going to reach at the beginning to 28.62, and then if the market is able to pass 28.92. Today, remember, we don't have any important news, okay. The three important news that we had was previous to the bell, but if you see here, we are in the expiration days. That means that probably today we are going to have probably some erratic movement, okay. You need to have in count because you need to be very selective today, okay. Remember, our first scenario is continuation to the downside, but you need to be very aware. If you have any doubt of trading, please don't hesitate to write us, because we are going to be eager to talk with you. Hope you have a very good day, and we see you tomorrow.